very good afternoon to all. So we will be discussing outer retinal defects after a macular hole surgery. So with the vitrectomy and ILM peeling, we expect 90% closure of the macular rate, even though the restoration at different levels are different. So post-operatively, whenever we see a outer retinal defect, which is very flat, hyperreflective, we feel happy that our job is well done. But whenever we see something like this, outer foveal defect with a persistent subfoveal fluid, our heart sinks. But do we really need to worry whenever we see an outer retinal defect? Actually, no, because even in 2004, Gass has reported 2 of his cases with outer retinal defect which recovered to 6/6 vision at 6 months follow-up. So there he has postulated Muller cells and astral cells grow into the macular hole with a centripetal growth and contraction with the dragging of the photoreceptors to fill the cavity. And coming to the persistent subfoveal fluid, it is seen in up to 40 to 60% at 1 month, decreasing to 8 to 40% at 3 months, and even decreasing at 1 year and 2 years. That's why it is thought to be a normal finding in the course of healing macular holes. So here it is postulated that early approximation of the inner retina with the entrapment of the subfoveal fluid may be the cause for these kind of ORD, which gradually get absorbed and these ORDs disappear. So macular holes with a larger basal diameter and a drawbridge appearance are more prone to develop these kind of outer retinal defect. And recently, the studies with intraoperative OCTA has shown that during the ILM peeling, there is an anteroposterior traction which causes an enlargement of the EZRPE space, which may be the cause for postoperative hyporeflective spaces. So in all the studies which describes outer retinal defect after a macular hole surgery, it is found out that the final visual acuity is not associated with the presence or absence of the ORD, and the area of the fluid is also not associated. Just one theoretical point, 4 types of ORDs are being described. One is outer layer defect, outer foveal detachment, complex or combined defect, and unclassified. So to conclude, ORD may represent a normal process during the closure of the macular hole surgery. It is common in early stages of the macular hole surgery, and approximation of the inner retina with a tangential traction during the ILM peeling may be the cause. Even though it may prolong the visual recovery, it never affects the final visual outcome. Thank you.